no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My body keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I am here to give you guys another wig review / collab video. I am collabing with my girl, Let's Begin. Y'all, we decided to take it back. She decided to do a 90s inspired look. I decided to do an early 2000s look. So make sure you guys go support my girl, Let's Begin. You can subscribe, like, share, all the other good stuff. Everything about her will be in my description box below. So let's get right into this video. This collab is featuring a wig from MyFirstWig. I love working with MyFirstWig. Their wigs are amazing. And when I tell y'all these wigs are extremely beginner friendly, they are beginner friendly, okay? I didn't have to pluck anything. I didn't have to bleach no knots. I didn't have to do nothing extra but just cut the lace and style. Everything about this wig will also be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are reading that thoroughly as well.
Yogic.
I haven't rocked a human hair sleek hairstyle in so long. I really love how sleek this hair was. This hair is human hair, and the texture, oh my God, the texture felt like butter. Do you hear me? Butter. It felt good, y'all. So I am going in with my John Frieda flat iron. My mama actually bought these from the thrift store, so shout out to my mama, period. I think she paid, don't give me the line, y'all, I think she paid like $2, $3 for them. Y'all be sleep on Goodwill and stuff when it comes down to like products and stuff. Y'all, thrift store. And also in this video, I am promoting a black owned glue adhesive company. The name of their company is HD Glue. And y'all, when I tell you this adhesive is everything, y'all. Everything. So I want to shout out HD Glue for sending me these amazing products. So it came with the actual HD glue. It came with the glue removal. And also it came with a lash glue as well. So if y'all want to go support a black owned business, make sure y'all do that. Everything about HD Glue Shop will be in my description box below. You can follow all their socials on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at HD Glue. So I decided to do a early 2000 look that I kind of found on Pinterest. It can be debatable on what year you will actually see these styles, but I just went off of Pinterest, and this is the style that I was inspired by. So I was like, hey, what the heck? Let's do it. Shout out to my girl Dania for giving me her throwback jersey and her 2 hairballs, because honey, we all used to wear hairballs in our head, okay? I really wanted to nail this early 2000s look. I think I did a pretty good job. So let's get straight into the pros and cons. Honestly, y'all, honestly, I had no cons. This wig was everything. I really love the texture. I love the hairline. I love how beginner friendly it was. I love how easy it was to style. I actually love the density of this hair. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. Like, it just had a very natural density. And I really like that. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed doing this collab with my girl Let's Begin. I love when creators and influencers reach out and they push my creativity. Like, y'all don't understand. The way I created that thumbnail, it took me a good like 30 minutes to create it. Like, I had to make my own magic photo background. So kudos to Let's Begin. Thank you for getting me out my shell, girl. So again, thank you so much, Let's Begin, for pushing me out my box. Thank you for pushing my creativity, sis. I appreciate you. I appreciate this collab, and y'all make sure y'all go support her as well on her channel. Like, share, subscribe, all the other good stuff. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. Everything about this wig, even the glue, will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are checking that out. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.